Hi, it is my first time ordering something from online shop which is called Goddiva here in United Kingdom, and I am so pleased with the quality of the things that I ordered. I ordered a top and a dress. The quality is top notch, and it's very good. Just watch and see for yourself. And I'll do a separate video where I try it on so that you see how it fits. Oh my goodness, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, just watch. This is my first time and I am so happy with what I ordered. It just came as it was seen on the site, so this is the top, pink. It is a pink color, and the quality, the color, everything just it's just the way I see it, the way I think it's going to look. The quality is on point. Oh my goodness, the quality is just everything. Look at that, the color is awesome. This top can actually go with everything. So here is the dress. Oh my god, I can like I don't know what to say, but this dress is just giving me so much joy because of the quality, and the price is on sale. The price is just so amazing. I was wow with the price, guys. I will list the price of what I bought, how much it cost. I will leave the price. So if you're looking for something, maybe party wear, party dress, go to Goddiva.com UK and shop for yourself, guys. Oh my goodness, this is just so awesome. If you're I'm definitely wearing this dress to a birthday party this evening. This dress, I never knew it will come right now, but it came at the right time, and I am so happy. And I'm so happy because the price and the quality, everything just looks so beautiful. Guys, wait for the another video, where I will show you how it fits. It's just so good. Bye.